Alright guys, today I'm out here at Hope Furnace, one of the last big reminders of Ohio's iron-making days, and trust me, this thing is massive. Back in the 1800s, this furnace was running non-stop, turning iron ore, limestone, and charcoal into the iron that helped build early America. Imagine the heat, the noise, the workers doing 12-hour shifts, all right here in the middle of the forest. And what's cool is that the forest you see today, it wasn't always this green. During the furnace days, they cut down huge amounts of timber for charcoal. But when the industry died out, nature took over again, and that's how we ended up with this beautiful area around Lake Hope. Lake Hope itself was created in the 1930s when the Civilian Conservation Corps built the dam. Now it's this calm, crystal blue lake that sits right on top of what used to be a busy, noisy ironworking community. From iron smelting to kayaking and hiking, talk about a glow-up. So yeah, you're literally walking through history out here. A place that once forged iron, now forging peace and scenery instead.